Laser Denim Designer, a new profession. We have a problem in the jeanswear industry. Observing this scenario, I realized that denim pieces are being produced with laser printing so far from the standards that they are almost borderline ridiculous. That is why I see the importance of articles like this one. In this article, we will talk about some of the concepts and fundamentals behind laser denim. The concepts are just as important as the techniques and tools. With the concepts, you will be able to use any graphics program, and even use the concepts in manual application, sandpaper type, and thus you will get good designs. The jeans phenomenon. A very interesting phenomenon happened with jeans. First of all, it is a component of a garment that emerged among the people. It didn't come from a laboratory, nor from a fashion company. Everything was very natural and spontaneous. Garampiro's clothes here, sailors' uniforms there, farmers' clothes there. Then, at some point, spontaneously, a celebrity wore one of these garments, someone took a picture of it, and soon the whole world wanted to dress the same way. This is how, almost by accident, jeans arrived in the world. Naturally, its classic characteristics were preserved, that is, its aging marks. Without them, jeans lose their beauty. Naturalness should be the primary factor in the customization of jeans. A word often used to describe this characteristic is vintage. One of the meanings of this word, and the one we use here, is the aged wine. Old not in the sense of bad or no good, but in the sense of old, durable, and classic. To understand the concept, just observe where the real aging takes place, in people's clothes. A tip: when you are in public places, look at people's clothes. Women's pants, men's pants, shorts, skirts, bricklayers' clothes, taxi drivers, motorcycle taxi drivers, street vendors, all these are great references. Besides, we have the denim raw trend. This return to the origins can bring us a lot of reference material for our work. Look, what appears in the female pieces are different brands from the male pieces. Know that fabrics with different weights produce folds with different thicknesses in their markings. In this blog, we will analyze in the next articles these observations. A good designer is first of all a good observer. Let me tell you a secret: know that the marks on people's clothes reveal themselves as soon as they put them on, regardless of the fabric. Of course, their permanence will only be possible with a long time of use. These marks are already visible when a person puts the garment on. This is very interesting, because they already serve, right from the start, as a reference for our drawings. Just take a picture. The folds, curves, creases, and chamfers are the same ones that will be permanent in a few months if the fabric has memory, as is the case with jeans. The designer denim laser. I think the term denim laser designer is great to define professionals who work researching, developing, and projecting the designs applied with lasers on jeans. I'll tell you why. The word designer is used to mean designer. Well, that's what we are. When we prepare a pilot piece, we don't just make a mere mustache, we make a project. Besides the design, there is also the management of information, time, and correct application of concepts and techniques. All focusing on maximizing both creativity and productivity. A single mistake in a simple design can cause damage to the production when it reaches the point of being produced on an industrial scale. As for the word denim laser, it points to what we do. It is the key word that describes our profession. If we use only the word laser, we will be confused with the many professionals who also work with lasers, but in other areas, such as aesthetics, surgery, metal cutting, acrylics, etc. When we put the word denim next to the word laser, a great term emerges to define both what we do and with which category of material we work. We are designers, and we work by printing designs with laser on denim. Just as there is graphic design, the technique or knowledge, and graphic designer, the professional, there is also denim laser design, the technique, and denim laser designer, the professional. Thank you very much for taking interest in this article to the extent that you have listened or read this far. If you are a laser denim designer as well or are involved in this field, so this content. 4. There is a connection where everyone grows together. You, me, and us.